Hello, this is Internet National Geographic channel with Matthew Rollins, local bird expert. I'm leaving Tanamir village in Nagaland, India. Right now, you can hear the birds. The local parrot-tweet and the red-breasted fowler jumper. I am about to make contact with them, speak in their bird tongue. Let's see what happens. Alright folks, it's happening. The birds are flocking to me. Took me 16 years to learn that bird call. Well, I'm beating my way through rough jungle terrain, and I better pay attention or I might miss the path. Not just anyone can find their way through this rough jungle terrain. Alright, over and out.